Today I'm making a pumpkin spice no-bake cookie. Thank you, Peggy, for the idea. So I'm going to put the heat on medium now that I'm done leaning on the stove. I have 1/3 cup of butter and 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. One-half cup of pumpkin puree. And 1/3 cup of brown sugar. So let this melt all together, and then we'll mix it with the rest of our ingredients. It's starting to melt down nicely. And look who wants some. Okay, while that's finishing up, I'm going to do the rest of the ingredients. And it calls for 2 cups of oats. And I've got the old-fashioned, so I hope these are going to work because that's all I have. And a little bit of salt. I use the pink Himalayan. The pumpkin spice. Pumpkin pie spice. And I think it said like a 1/4 teaspoon of this, but I'm gonna probably use a little bit extra. And then the vanilla extract. And it said a 1/4 teaspoon, this is a little bit more than that. But I'm gonna get the mixture off the stove. Move some of this out of the way. All right. It smells really good, and this is what it looks like so far. So I'm just going to scoop this out with my little cookie. Alright, I'm going to let these set and then we'll try them. I let the cookies sit in the fridge for about 30 minutes and now it's time to try one. Look at that. That's very good. The dog wants some. These are very good. Thank you, Peggy.